me the basic, the WP admin, general settings, dashboard, and those things, sir.
General settings. Yeah, I'll teach you all the general settings, everything today. Yeah, I'm coming
Okay,
there
okay, sir.
now. Yeah.
Because whenever we install the WordPress, first one, what we need to do, that the initial steps, if you teach me, it's
Yes,
very
yes, yes.
useful.
I'll teach you. I'll teach you. I'm going to walk you through the same thing. Before that, I'll finish off building the web pages using one of the. Did we build a web page using Flatsome editor yesterday?
No, sir.
It
Right.
is.
We did not, right? Okay. So I'll show you now how in today's class, we're going to learn how to build web pages using this Flatsome editor or Flatsome builder. Okay. And then we are going to learn how to set up a e-commerce store. I'm going to remove all of this, or maybe I'll launch a new website again if needed. And we're also going to learn the basic settings for the website. You see here settings tools. So after I'll show it to you freshly from a new website again. Okay, so let me quickly walk you through building how easy a building a web page is using Flatsome editor. Okay, so come to the pages section. You're all following me, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So click on all pages. You will get to see all the pages that you have created in the past. Okay. So now, if you want to create a new page, let's say you want to create a page for yourself, a profile or portfolio for you. Okay. So just click on add new. Click on add new. So yesterday we were trying to build a page for an interior design company, right? Website for interior design. So let's try doing it for interior design only now. Yeah. So I'm going to call this as interior design company in Bangalore. Okay. And I want the page to be full screen, so I'll just click here default template. From default templates I'll pick page full width. I'm setting the width of the page. Just click on publish. Okay. So now today's class is about, now this particular discussion is about how can you easily build a web page when you have the best builders with you, easy to use paid version builders with you. Okay, so this is the page. There's nothing on this page. So now look at this, how it's going to be evolved. Click on edit with UX builder. See, if you are using Elementor, it shows edit with Elementor builder. If you are using WP Bakery builder, it shows edit with WP Bakery. And since we are using Flatsome UX builder, it shows edit with UX builder. Click on this. I guess we discussed this right yesterday. No, building a web page
No,
using
sir.
UX builder. No. Okay.
No, sir. EX
Okay.
builder not.
Okay.
Flatsome and Elementor.
Okay. 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 So now, so your web page is empty. You can build a web page using. See here, they are telling that insert a template, Flatsome templates, or any custom templates. Okay, so there's nothing here. You have to design it and store it here, and then you can put that in use. So I don't want to do any of these things. So I'll simply click on add elements. So there are so many sections here. See, your web page is always built using rows and columns. Your web page will be built using rows and columns. Okay. So now these are the main key components of your web page. Okay. So if you want to first thing, you can add a slider, full screen slider or a full banner. So maybe something like this. Yeah. So look at this. I have just clicked on the banner option and you got the banner. And banner also, there's so many designs if you look at this. So I can switch between the options, and this banner I'll be obviously changing the image as well. After selecting one of these, it asks you to update the image as well in the background. Okay. So you can pick any format that you see here. So let me just pick this blank and get started with it. Just click on apply. Okay, it automatically opens up and asking for an image. Select image. Yeah, let me pick one of the image. Yeah. Okay, for now let me pick some image. Any image should be fine. Just use this image. So it's loading, it's taking time. So now your web page, interior design company in Bangalore, which did not had anything, will show a banner space. Banner will show a banner here. So I'm reloading the page. I think my internet is very slow. For some reason it's not loading. Update it. And your web page will have it. See now your web page has this component. Now this cannot be a good looking web elements. And next I want to show maybe I want to show the team. So what I do is when I select this rows, it shows me the columns. I can take one column, two columns, four columns. Excuse me. I can build a page this way as well. Okay, or maybe this way. Okay. So click on apply, and here I want to update. Click on apply here. Yeah, here you can add anything you want. Maybe for now, let's go with a piece of text. Yeah. Excuse me. So you look at this, there are so many options. Paragraph, for now by default there's only a paragraph. Paragraph with headline. Only headline. Headline uppercase. Paragraph with subhead. Anyways, this is not a big deal. You can change this just by going to this editor also. Okay. So this piece of text. Yeah, I'll write it here below this. This piece of text can be changed anytime as per your requirement. Okay, just okay. So now to the right side, I feel that having a form, contact form is will be good. So what I'll do, I'll just click on forms. See in WordPress, there will be a separate plugin for forms. Over there, we must have built some forms, and I can pull or call in one of the forms. So look at this here. I'm just clicking on contact form one. There's already one form built with this name. See now it's not really looking good, correct? If you look at this, so now we are going to customize or change this to make it look good. So I'm clicking on columns. First thing I would do is I'll change the background of this. Let's try doing that and see how it looks. No, it's not looking good. So you have to add some color. Still that's not looking good. So what you can do is in this column, add to column, again add a row, but this time I'm going to add a single column. Okay. So did you all? What I'll do is I'll bring this form into it. Yeah. Now Now I can change the background of this. Okay, not this one. Still not looking proper.
Can we use different font line and font design?
Yeah, yeah, you can change anything that you want. Just let me remove the column. This background is not looking good. I want to make it look something like this. I can do that. See, this is also built on same Flatsome editor. I'll show it. Excuse me. In this, let's continue. I'll show it to you then in a while. So your web page is slowly changing, but you see here 4. If I click 3, now look at this, the width has come down. If I click 4, the width of the form right side has increased, right? So we have split the screen into 3/4 and 1/4, column 8 only. So add to column. Again, what you want to add now? So let's say you want to add photos or timer or maybe something else. So okay, let's say the countdown. I want to add this to be 3. Yeah, no proper strategy in building this web page. I'm just using various options that are available here. Okay, I just want to show all the options to you, and then I just started adding everything that I'm seeing here. Okay, so now one more thing. So I'll show you a few. So add elements. So now I have no proper idea. My creative skills are also not that great. Or even if I want to do something using my creativity, it might take a lot of time. Okay. So you have another best option. Just click on Flatsome Studio. So here you can browse various kinds of designs. So for example, let's say you want about us section for your web page. So you want to speak about. Okay. So there are 29 pre-built designs or templates here. Okay. So take a look at this. So these are all about sections. So let's say you can preview it and see how this looks. Just click on the preview about us. Okay, so let's take this. So what I'll do is I'll just click on, or maybe we'll go with a different one. So I did not like that about. So we just go with this. Just click on import. Start importing.
Uh, Sir, 1 minute.
Yeah,
Sir, actually, if we start using practice, after if we teach this means it's very helpful to us.
correct. Correct. You have to practice. That's why I'm going to give access to all of you for this domain as well.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So I'll show you all the options. I just quickly wanted to help you with this as well. Okay. So now look at this. We had built up to here the page, and now you don't have to spend much time. You just have clicked on the elements, add elements, and you browse the studio. Gautam, don't worry. I'll come there and I'll give you the access as well. I'll show you all the options. Okay. So now I want to add
Okay, sir.
something
Okay,
else,
sir.
category
Okay,
boxes.
sir.
So I am providing various kinds of services. So I want to add category boxes. So
Can I ask a question?
yeah, yeah, please.
I just wanted to know, in case if you are using AI for any of this thing, do you think the same thing would have done for other companies or other website? See, this is a template. So something like write-ups and other things. Okay, pictures all we are just taking it from the templates and we are just organizing in our website. What about the content? Even the content, when we usually give it to AI to get back to us, do you think so? The same thing would have been done for other website people also?
No, no, no. See, content. See, AI website is creating a unique content for you. Okay. So mostly that will be based on the information that you provide. See, if you observe carefully, AI has asked you for email ID, phone number, address, and a brief about your business. And a brief about your business, definitely it's going to be explicitly about your product and services, correct? So now AI is reproducing the content or
Okay.
information. AI is reproducing the content or information based on the inputs that you have given. Okay, and moreover, AI is never telling that you have to use the same content. See, yeah, we are using AI mainly to build our website. And if you're not happy with what AI has produced, forget about whether other people are going to use it or not, whether what it has produced is good or not. You are free to, you are supposed to be editing or changing all the information and images as per your requirement. See, while building with AI, we have
Once the
yeah.
AI can we edit that also?
Sorry, AI.
Once if a format or a concept, if an AI has been produced, in that can we do a
Yes, yes,
changes?
yes,
Can
yes.
we
You can,
edit?
you can. Yesterday class, that's what I showed. At the last, I clicked on images. I
Ah,
told you can replace the images. You can do whatever you want. See, AI is basically building something for you, right? And you can always reiterate it. I mean, you can edit it. You can change the image
okay.
what it has built. On top of it, additionally, you can add more sections using Elementor Builder or the WordPress Builder or WP Bakery Builder. Those are the three builders available with the AI. But if you are using any other builder apart from that, that particular builder may not work with that AI template. You may have to still use
Hmm.
one of these builders. And anyways, whichever the builder it is, WordPress builder is by default always available. And still you can use that builder and edit
Okay.
or do the changes whichever you want. Yeah. So now coming to services, I like this services design. So what I can do is I can preview and see or just quickly import. Okay, so Gautam, I'll show it to you. I built this website in the last class using the same builder.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay,
Okay, sir. Thank
so
you.
look at this. This is their one of the inner page, mono cartoon box manufacturer. So yeah, this is the banner for their section website. It's still loading. We are going to build. We'll try. I'll definitely. So I'll give access to all of you. You practice over this weekend. So now look at this. How this works. So let me copy this in a different browser because this is overlapping since we have logged in there. So throughout this section, the right side section is stagnant. It's sticky. It's fixed. So you are scrolling on the left side information and right side is sticky. Did you observe that? Okay, and
Yeah.
yeah, there's so many other sections on the page. Okay, so let me close this. So exactly, so what we are doing now, exactly we did the same and build that website. Okay, so this is got imported now, goals and missions. Okay, now you are not really liking the templates under the you studio. Just one second. Excuse me. So when you click on this add elements, so this particular builder is helping you with so many designs. Excuse me. So which are already pre-built. Okay. So now and what is next as well? See on Amazon you must be seeing right some of the sellers same product but they will have millions of sales. So exactly the so there are hundreds of themes you can use any of them but this is one of the best. Okay, so now you have imported the section you're not happy with any of these designs. So what you can do is always you can click on add elements and what all you have built imported to the left side you see so many features, correct? Using all these features we are going to use some of these features and we'll continue to build this web page. Okay, so now what I want to do is I want to show related products or maybe look at this I want to show testimonials. So just click on testimonials again. So testimonials row image to the left. Add elements. I want to show related products on this web page. So for that, just click on product, type products here. So products best selling. So already there are so many products published on this website, and when you pick that option, it's by default showing you the best selling products. It shows each row has 4 products, and it shows 3 rows. Okay. So now you can change this to only 3 rows. Yeah, now there will be only 3 products, 3 columns, not rows, 3 columns. It's changing, it's loading still. Yeah. So my computer is hanging.
No,
My
sir,
my
if
com-
you open the unnecessary browsers and
yes,
tabs
yes, yes,
means
yes.
you
I
can
have to
close
close
both.
all. See, I don't shut down my computer. It will be on for several months. In the background, a lot of applications will be running. Plus, since I have cold, I have to turn off everything, the fans, everything. So it has got heat as well. Okay, let me apply this. Yeah, I'll show it to you again. Okay. See now section here. What you see here, section. See now, if you want to change the background of any of the section row that you have put, okay, so it changes only color of that row. So if everything is under section, section gives you more control over the rows. Now rows, instead of keeping them outside, you can have the rows within the section. Okay, see that's why we couldn't really change the color of that form. You see that the color of the form we couldn't change. So let me apply this. So now click on this. I'll change the background color to this. Let me apply now here. So I want a section, this one, right? This is the recent last added section. So I'm going to bring in here, and within this section I'll move this row which we have built first. Right side we built form, you all remember. So I've just moved it. Okay, so now here in the row for this column I can change the color to white, or maybe what I can do is, so did you all observe what happened? Padding is giving a space between this and this. So what I'll do is, let me,
This page, this has to be done only within 1 week.
I did not get you 1 week. Oh,
Yeah,
practicing this.
the time was reflecting over there. So, do you think that whatever edit we have to do is within only one
No, no,
week?
no, 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 no. So let's say you are a event company and you want to tell them that, okay, so the event is happening in on so and so date. I think we have set it as third of some date, third of March, I guess. So from now, third of March is 1 week, 1 day, 21 hours, 42 minutes. That's what it's indicating. So so now send button is to the left. I want it to the center, just left center line. Apply this row to column. So I'm just showing you how to apply colors in case if you want colors in the background. Okay. So if you want to remove, you can just click on that, double click, and just click on this. It will all go away. Now I want colors only to This one, right?
Just one question. Is it possible to change the text also in form? Like instead of asking
Yes,
about
yes, yes,
name or
yes.
anything,
Yes, yes,
something
yes.
else also we can.
Yes, you can change it. Okay. So now your email ID required your name instead of subject you want to put it as something else, right? You can change this as well. I'll be showing them.
Oh,
See, because you are not editing this form here, you are just calling that form here. See, look at this. So we have just picked an option contact from 7 and this form is from somewhere else and we have picked one of the form. I'll show you where to edit
yeah.
this forms, right? So you wanted green color in the background and you have put the green color and this is a simple headline. And I want to move it above the form and I'm moving it. Okay. So maybe inquire here or inquire now. Okay. Now this is not looking good because of so much space. So you remove the space or you want to show this as a highlighted text, you can block code this or you can change this text to any other format that you want. Full uppercase, change it to full uppercase. See, everything is uppercase here. Or you want it to be as something else, thin font, alternate font, thin font. Okay. So something like this. So now you want this to be as a sticky, right? This column 4. So while you continue to build your this right, left side information, right side this has to be a sticky. Right side this has to be stagnant, right? Throughout the scroll. So if you have to do that, so go to that right side column. So this is the right side column. You see here, either click on the setting buttons here or double click on this. And now here, sticky on. Okay, apply. Now if you are building, excuse me. Now, if you are building content or information here to the left side, this right side, as you scroll through the left screen, this will be stagnant to the right side. Still, this we haven't really built it to its length. It's not displaying anything. So now, if you continue to build this, add to column, and I'll add some more information. Click on the blocks. See now, blocks is another beautiful thing. I'll show you what is this block and how that works. See, blocks is, see on web pages, sometimes even whether your website has 10 pages or 100 pages, there will be certain things that are common across the website, correct? For example, reviews, correct? So now you don't have to build reviews every time on your web page. So you can build this review section under the blocks. I'm going to show you that as well, how we build everything. And you can call your block wherever you want on the web page. And you want it here now, you have called it. And I also want at the bottom of the page, and I'll click on add elements, and then I'll click on the blocks. Here is the blocks option, and I'll call one more block. So currently for testing purpose, we have built 2 or 3 blocks. So I'm calling either site level reviews. If you're calling site level reviews, again your site level reviews block looks like this. See, I did not build here. This is which I'm going to use across the website. Reviews or email ID, phone number, or there will be certain common information on your web page. Right? You can simply call using that option called blocks. And there is a separate section on the website called as blocks. I'll show you that option as well. Yeah, this is the web page which was built in the morning class. So you could see that here. See now, since it's a class, I'm just using options whatever I could randomly, right? So if you have some time, if you could conceptualize how your web page should look like, right? So accordingly, you can use all these options and you can build beautiful web pages. Beautiful web pages. So continue through this and you get to see. Yeah, look at this now. On this page also there is our client section, which is actually, it's not a block here. We have built manually. We have built this section manually. So now if I want something like this to be used across the website everywhere, So the best option is, now that's what we did here. Now look at this page. This is a different page, building second test page. Now in this page also you want the same thing. Here now you did not build it, you have simply called the block, right? Now this is the current block, site level reviews. I'll change this to menu category SEO content. Now it got changed, right? So any piece of content or information which you will be commonly using across your website, you can build them under the blocks and call them wherever you want. It's like the information is sitting in the central repository and you can use the same information wherever you want. I'm going to show you that now where it is going to be and how to use it. Okay, before that, come back to your previous page. This is what we are building, right? So if you update it and if you load it, your interior design company page is going to look very different. Yeah, look at this. Now, see, now this is right side, it's sticky. Did you observe that? Yeah. So now here, not only color, you can have some background image as well. Or you can have whatever you want. Colors, background image, overlays. So there is an issue with this image. Here, supposed to be two photos to be uploaded. That's why it's looking very odd. Yeah. Did you all get how to use this Flatsome UX editor?
Yes.
So now I am speaking about the blocks, right? Where are these blocks and how do we use them? I'll show it to you here. So now here we have used a block. If you look at this here, you saw two blocks, only two blocks. You can pick only one of them and use. Why is it showing only two blocks here and why not many blocks? Let's assume about us, about your company. It could have been shown here, right? It is not showing because you haven't built it, and I'll show you where to build the UX blocks. See, building UX blocks is same like what we did now, but instead of building a content every time on every page, you will be building it here under UX blocks. Just click on UX blocks. Yeah. So here just add new. I'll call this as about us. Okay. And you can add categories here like site level content, common content, anything that you want. For now, I'll not add anything. I'll just select this. If you want to add, just click on add new category, site level common content, simply for my reference. So add new category. Yeah. Now just publish it. This is about us, right? So now I'm going to build this about us. So I'll click on UX builder here. So I'm going to click on add elements, and manually by using all these options you can add about a section. Now I don't have I have better option here. So what I'll do is I'll just go click on about. Let's
Sir,
say,
I have one doubt, sir.
yeah.
Sir, in the landing page, you are creating, the about us page.
In the landing page you are creating about us page. Okay.
And then
So it's
you
not
said,
in the landing page. You should be asking on the website. You will have a separate page called about us / about us. Correct? That's what your question
yes,
is. Yeah.
yes, that is my.
Okay. Okay. We will have separate page. Okay. So that doesn't mean. Does that mean that you should not speak about your company anywhere else on the website? Say separate page is if you want to send a separate experience where your about us will be a lot more detailed, you will be putting it on a separate page / about us. That doesn't mean you should not be speaking about your business on any other page, correct?
Yes.
Yeah. So exactly that's what we are trying to do. It's your choice now. I just wanted to show you some random piece of text. Don't treat this to be as about us. Just treat it to be as some random text. I'm building a block, but it becomes super easy for me to use the terms like about us, contact us, so that you will remember. Okay. So now go to your blocks. We have built about us and we have published it. Yeah, look at this about us. It's there. So now after building it here, it will start showing you here as well. Now look at this. If I'm double clicking on this, it doesn't show me about us. It shows only those two blocks. If I reload this, it would probably, yeah, it's showing. I don't have to reload. Now look at this. I'm just picking it to about us. See, after publishing only, it started showing up here in the correct. Did you all notice that? After me publishing about us under UX blocks here, now I'm able to pick that about us block here as well, correct? Earlier it was showing only two, correct? Now if you continue to publish many more sections like that, contact details, let's say you will create one more block called contact details and it will start showing up here. And you can just pick them here using this block option. You all understood this option? No?
Yes.
So let me do one thing. So I'll send you the it's plantsnutrients.com/wp-admin. It's common, always same. Always you will log in any WordPress website it is, you'll always log in as wp-admin. I'll be sending the username and password to all of you over the chat. So what you have to do is click on pages, click on add new, or if you want to see already built pages, click on all pages. Okay, so here are so many pages that are built. Okay, you can go through all of these pages, and if you want to add a new page, click on add new and start practicing it from today or tomorrow. Okay, so you will get to see all the options available on Flatsome Builder. That's simply called as UX Builder, UX blocks or UX Builder. Not blocks, it's UX Builder only. But did you understand the concept? See, instead of building it every time on the web pages, we are just building it all and saving it at one place, and we can reuse them whenever we want, wherever we want. Correct? That's the use of UX blocks, BLOCKS. Did you all understand that? This is mainly like a repository of all your common contents of the website, and you can use them whenever you need, wherever you need it. You can reuse them, build it once and reuse any number of times wherever you want across the website. Did you all get that?
So that UX blocks for only for the common blocks, correct?
Correct.
That only purpose that the UX blocks plugin is for useful.
That's not a plugin, that's a feature of this theme. See, you don't know how much time it saves. So quickly now, you don't believe this website, I quickly built it in just few hours. How could I do that? I have used all the options available. So we should know how to use, when to use. Now if you look at this page, mono carton box manufacturer, and if you look at other pages, maybe electronics or industries, I'm not sure. So now these are all built using UX blocks. Now we have launched nearly 100 products, and on all the pages we have reused all of these things just one time. So let me show it to you now. You see here CPP process, it's a edit block. CPP process, it's a block. This is also a block. We are reusing them on many pages. See,
So once we created the common categories, we can use for the many pages.
it's not about category, any piece of information, content, image, whatsoever it is.
Okay, sir.
See,
Like about us review.
if you have to reproduce every time the same thing on different pages, there are good chance of you messing up your design. Every time it will come out as a different design, or you might miss out on some information. So the best option is build it at one place and reuse the same everywhere. So if you make change at one place, the change happens on all the 100 pages. So for example, you want to change your phone number and email ID. Now, if you are manually updating it on 100 pages, you have to change on all 100 pages one by one, right? Correct?
Yes, sir.
So if you have put that under UX blocks and if you are using the same on 100 pages, you change only on UX blocks and it changes on all the 100 pages. Understood?
No. Yes, sir.
Yeah. So there are many such options. That's about UX builder, but you have to compulsorily practice it. See, it's not going to be only UX builder. It depends again. So yesterday we were seeing different themes on Theme Forest website, right? Every theme comes with a different builder, but most commonly used builders are Elementor, WP Bakery. There is one more. Mostly these two are commonly used. And this Flatsome builder is a inbuilt builder of the theme. See, for other themes and all, they buy the see now theme builder. Let's assume I am the theme builder. I will build a theme. I will also purchase Elementor subscription in bulk, and I will make Elementor part of the theme. So when you purchase the theme, you will get Elementor part of the theme, and you will use Elementor, and you will continue to build your website. Okay. So now this
Uh,
theme, did I show Flatsome theme yesterday to you on Theme Forest? No, right?
yes. Yesterday you showed.
Yesterday I have shown theme Flatsome theme.
No, sir. Themes you are not telling.
Yeah. Now the theme which we have used here you see best-selling WooCommerce theme here. This is the theme. Exactly the same theme has been used for Kandra Foods and also for plants nutrients. So now look at this theme, how this looks. So demos, yeah. So this theme is being purchased. I mean, like when you purchase, you will get all of this. Your front page can be one of these designs. Okay. So you see, they have built their website, the default theme. Like yesterday, you all have seen that the real estate template we installed to the website, correct? Do you all remember that yesterday's?
No, sir. No, sir. No, sir.
Yesterday class we installed real estate theme, right? No? Oh, that I think in the morning class. Okay.
Yes. Yesterday and today you telling about all web pages designing only, sir. Not theme and all.
Okay. 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 I'll tell you. Okay. Now, see if you are buying any theme, let's say Elementor or WP Bakery. Okay. So you have to use that editor or WP Bakery, and you have to build your website completely from scratch. Correct? Now there is a better option. So here on Flatsome, there are ready-made themes. At the price of buying a builder, you can buy a theme which is very well built. Okay. Now look at this. See in
So
few.
same thing we can buy or we can use free things in the default WP template, sir.
No, you will not get such kinds of themes on WordPress. I'll show it to you here. Let's go back. Go to this appearance, go to themes. Or maybe your Uning website. What is the name? Uning, right? Uning. So come to your appearance section and here themes. See here you are seeing two themes, correct? Either you click on add new theme here or add new theme here. Anyway, it's fine. Click on add new theme, and this section allows you to browse various themes that you can use. Okay. As of now, we have installed these two themes, and you can install any theme that you want. Okay. So now this theme or this theme, or you might find this theme interesting. So just if you want to preview it. This is how your website looks like if you use that theme. See, the problem with these themes is these themes are not really that great the way how you are seeing them here. They these are paid versions basically. If you have to get the same kind of appearance and all the features to build your website, just to sell their themes, they are putting the basic versions of the themes here. You can install anything, so it doesn't get applied to your website. I'll show it to you. Just click on install here. It's installing, and now go to your theme section and you will see that theme as well. So it got installed. It's installing still. So come to your theme section. Earlier there were only two themes and third card was add new theme, and now it came below and you have a new theme here, correct? Added. This is the new theme which we just added. Now you can activate this theme for your website or you can activate this theme for your website, correct?
Yes, sir.
So, but these themes doesn't look so great and will not have all the features or options that you need. And these themes will also not come with the full version of the editors. See these themes, again click on add new. You see some themes. See now this theme's main objective, I'll show you one theme. Yeah, so what they are doing, they are allowing you to install this theme, the basic version, and along with this, the Elementor plugin, which is not there here, also gets installed now. You can live preview, it got installed. So there is some issue. Now your website will change to like this if you are using that theme. So now that editor and this theme may not be compatible, and you see the difference here. There is so much. I am not activating this. So basically, the themes whatever you see under this theme section would not really serve your business purpose. They are only to make more business. See, their basic objective is to give the basic version of their themes, information or data, and sell their themes or sell their editors, builders. So it's no point. See, if you are looking for a professional, powerful website with full control, okay. So my suggestion is, if you are good with using Elementor Builder or WP Baker Builder or any other builder, see if you are good with your WordPress builder, you can simply, if you are practicing and if you are well versed with the WordPress builder, you can just go with the WordPress builder. And if you need a powerful builder, you can use Elementor, WP Bakery, or Flatsome. Flatsome is to the next level, to the next significant level, the Flatsome builder, right? So you can use one of these builders and you can build a website. But Flatsome is not available for everybody until unless you buy a theme that won't be available. But Elementor, WP Bakery, you can buy them and you can start building your website. Now my suggestion is, if you already know what is your business about, so related to the same, you will be able to find the themes. So for example, I searched for Flatsome. Now you are restaurant. Click on restaurant and you will get to see so many restaurant themes, right? So just click on it, live preview, and in just 5 minutes, if you are purchasing this theme, in just 5 minutes, your website would look exactly the same. You can just play around with the colors, font sizes, and instead of showcase, you can show this as catalog or menu or something like that. So now they are giving you so many templates to the front page. So this theme is again built using Elementor, and when you buy this theme, you will get Elementor by default along with this theme. 100 plus predefined widgets. Widgets are option to present your content. Templates, it's like blocks again. Predefined pieces of content. WooCommerce, order food online options, one-click installation, table booking management. So now let's see the demos. Elegant restaurant. So
Sir,
yeah,
we don't know what type of business categories will come for our websites, for making websites.
correct.
So how we identify the each theme have all full features?
Yeah. So you have to So these themes are there, right? So they will give you the demo view. I'll show it to you. So that's what I was trying to do here as well. What is this? Yeah, here as well. Okay. Yeah, this is one of the demo, right? So now you are looking for to add a product on your website, and that is happening, and you want the product to be added to the cart. I will show you restaurant theme as well. First, since I had opened this earlier, let me close this tab completely. I'll demo this and I'll close this. So now, see, some of the themes will give you the option to log into their backend as well. Not all the themes, but mostly by reading the features here. If you come back, so just click on this, you will get to see on the same page what is the version of the theme, what all features are available, the reviews, ratings. Yeah. So now, for example, for you, what is needed for a restaurant? Table booking is needed. Ordering food online is needed. These are the two primary features for you, correct? And if you look at that, they have told the same. See, table booking management, add payment option to a booking form with flexible pricing options. They are explaining or providing lots of details about the theme. Plus, they are allowing you to explore their different themes and how they look. They'll have the screenshots and they must have presented it all very well. So you have to do a thorough research. See, sometimes, will you trust me? Will you believe me or not? To purchase this flat something, before purchasing, I must have spent some 5 to 6 days researching what kind of theme will be good for a business. So now, same is the case with others as well. I will give you a simple trick how to figure out. See, most of the business categories you will find it here. For example, take real estate, you will find it here. Restaurants, hundreds of businesses, even the packers and more. Let me take real estate. I'll show you. Real estate also there will be hundreds of. So now, if you have to buy earphones from Amazon, what is the activity that you are going to do? See, you will probably go through the product description and understand all the features, right? Correct. To understand them also, you should be knowing what does that feature mean. Correct.
Yes, sir.
You should not get confused by reading that word. Correct. So now look at this. When I typed real estate, it's showing 822 templates or themes built using this. Are all belonging to real estate. Now, this is the most popular theme, I guess, most sought theme as well, I guess, right? So this fellow has put best-selling real estate theme, but this is not best-selling. You could see here, 42.4K sales. So now there is a detailed topic on this, detailed discussion on it. I'll just quickly walk you through that, how to pick the right theme for your business. Yeah. How to identify the best theme for your website? Uh, yeah, from here, most of the free themes might we have discussed this. might just provide you some features and they may not really serve your purpose. These free themes are fine for blogs, simple website that does not need much of attention for the UI UX or for search engines optimization. If you need a ready-made, well-built website, there are a number of individuals and companies who are doing it, I mean building it as per their research and creativity. These are usually called as themes, and each theme will have different kinds of functions or features incorporated in them. Hence, it's very important for you to understand the one that has most of the features that are needed for your website. Okay, so on theme forest, here are some steps to be followed. For your search query, a few results to few tens of themes will be displayed on search results. Sometime back, I was showing you there are 800 plus themes for restaurants or real estate, not restaurants. Restaurants might be more number of themes. So what all has to be considered is there is a blind thumb rule that you can follow. So when you are searching for restaurant or packers and movers or dental clinic or it can be anything. So always manually take a look at it. Okay, I must have written that. Uh, yeah. So first thing is manually go through it and understand if the if the theme is really aligned with your business. The demo view should help you, okay, to understand. Okay, second thing, so if you think, so you might have gone through 10 different themes. So second thing, if you think all those 10 are relevant, just look into the number of sales they have made. Higher the number of sales indicates them the theme is best and has more features, options and support. So there will be many people like you who must have spent several days in several hours in understanding what kind of theme is best for them, and they would have gone and purchased the same theme, right? So that indicates that's really useful. The number of positive reviews, let's assume you have bought a theme for restaurant and you will be living a positive review only if you're happy with it, correct? So positive reviews indicate, see, it can, there cannot be fake reviews for this. People can add reviews only if they have purchased. The same is the case with Amazon as well, right? Not any random person can go and add review, right? So if the rating is high, go through the go through the comments. So I have missed out. Go through the reviews description and understand what people are saying about. See, for you, when it is theme, most important thing is not the front page colors, how they look and all. For everything, all those can be handled very easily. The main thing that you have to look for is the options, like booking management system. Do you have the booking management system or not? So do you have the UX block kind of thing? So it's not necessarily UX block on all the things, all the themes. It will be called by a different name probably. Okay. So is it compatible on all the devices? The performance, how is the performance? Is it loading quickly or not? So I'll show it to you those things as well. Are you getting it? Are you all following this?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, and
Yes.
on theme forest, it's not just the WordPress theme. People will sell just the simple HTML pages, like how we built the HTML page here few days back, correct? I saved the files .html, right? So just the HTML and CSS will be available. There won't be PHP functionalities. So there won't be any options in the backend when you install those themes. They'll just give you the simple HTML, right? So you have to further research and understand compatibility with various browsers and devices, compatibility with PHP versions. Okay, so programming, PHP programming has different versions. Some of the things may not support. So your hosting will have the PHP versions, and you can change or play around with the PHP versions on your hosting panel, on the control panel. Compatibility with various WordPress versions, and most importantly with the recent versions. WordPress will have the versions, n number of versions, and make sure that it's all compatible with the recent WordPress version. They must have uploaded theme 10 years back and it's not compatible with the new version of the WordPress. It's compatible with 10 years back version of the WordPress. And if you are by mistakenly purchasing it, your money is gone. So compatibility with the popular various plugins that are must use on your WordPress website. So contact form 7, I'll be showing it to you, or maybe WooCommerce, which is very important for your website, e-commerce website, but the theme may not support it, right? And the theme builder used to build it. So they must have mentioned that this theme is built using Elementor Builder. This theme is using WP Bakery Builder. And let's assume you are very good with only Elementor Builder, or only Flatsome Builder, or only WP Bakery Builder. See, all these builders are not difficult to use, are all very easy to use. You just have to get used to them. You have to use once or twice, and you will be comfortable. But what happens is, if you are a person using all of these builders, let's assume you have used all of these builders, but you might find it very comfortable using one particular builder. So that's when you can just go with that theme as well. The various plugins used in the package, along with the theme, you might get lot of paid versions of the plugins free. Okay, that's something additional thing that you can explore, go through it and understand. And multi-language, multi-currency, customization, scalability. So will you be able to scale up your website easily or not? Bulk upload options, and couple of other important things you have to consider is mobile responsiveness, search engine optimization, load times and performance, marketing supporting features. Okay, I'll show it to you here again. Yeah. Now, so you all understood, right, what you all have to look into for a theme. So sales,
Yes, sir. So
ratings,
can you make an example of news websites?
give example of.
News category, news websites.
So there are many, few hundreds pertaining to news.
Yeah, news magazine.
Okay. So here you have a filter best match, best sellers. So we'll go with the best match. So first thing quickly what I do is I'll try to figure out which one has most sales. 141k sales, 6.5, only 4 sales, only 1 sale, 8.3k sales, 4.3, 2.3, 19.1, 1.4, 21.3k sales, 121 sales. So let's assume that this is the best for now. Now deep dive into this and understand if this has really all the features or options that you are looking for. Okay, so carefully read everything here. 1,40,980 sales. Yeah, built for excellence. Welcome to newspapers, the future of web design, proudly trusted by leading brands. So all these brands are using this web theme. Ultimate website builder, adaptive JS loading, lighter DOM size, more content. See, these all are related to performance. DOM size, lighter DOM size, which basically we have optimized to cut down the DOM size by 43%, making your site quicker and smoother. Smart content delivery, impressive design capabilities, front end builder. Okay, we'll see, we'll explore, see what's new. What's 9 premium plugins included, best new scheme for all time. So now, many times, just by looking at these options or features, you won't be able to understand. So what really helps you is go and take a look at the front end, the demo. So this is additional option for the website, for websites which are into AdSense. Now, go take a preview and see how it looks.
Sir, can you come the previous page? Inside, add to cart downside. Can you scroll it, sir? No, sir, don't give. Scroll it. The last update, comfortable with high
Yeah,
resolution.
this is what I have written. Always go with the one which has recent update. 10 years back, 2 years back, somebody must have put 2 years back. Don't go with those.
ನನ್ನ ನೆನ್ಸ್ಕೊಂಡೆ ಇನ್ನು ನಿನ್ ಗರ್ಲ್ ಐ ಮೀನ್ ನಿನ್
Okay.
ವೈಫ್ ಜೊತೆಲೇ ಇದೆಯಾ
9th February 2024.
ಏನ್ ಲೋಫರ್ನ ಯಾವಾಗ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನ
Okay.
ಇಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಹಾಳು
Ma'am,
ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು
ma'am, ma'am,
ಎಂಗೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಗೆ
ma'am.
ಇಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಯಾವತ್ತು
Ma'am,
ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು ಇವತ್ತು
I think it's Ria, right?
ಏನ್ ಇವತ್ತು
sir, can you put mute to her?
ಅಂದ್ರೆ
Yeah, I will do that.
ಯು ಡಿಂಟ್ ಗೋ ದೇರ್ ಇನ್ ಇದಿಲ್ಲ ಏನದು ಎಂಗೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ದಿನನೇ ಬರ್ಲಿಲ್ವಾ ವಾಪಸ್ಸು
I have muted her.
Have moved it. Okay.
I have done.
Okay, thanks. Okay, I think
Basically, you're seeing the last update. I mean, so update as in the
this 9th
website.
February indicates, see, their theme is compatible with all the versions of your WordPress. The theme, they are addressing all the issues or concerns in the theme, and it indicates it will be the best performing theme as well. So basically, if they are updating quite often, they are addressing all the issues as well with the theme, and it will be
They frequently
compatible.
update, sir.
Huh?
They frequently update this theme.
Yes, yes. Last update was 9th February.
9th
Today's
February.
2023, some 10
Yes,
15
sir,
days
yes,
back.
sir. Recent update. Recent update.
Yeah, some 10 15 days back. So that's actually good. So sometimes it will be 2 months, 3 months, 4 months. So in those cases, it's bad. I mean, it's not. It indicates there are chances that your theme will be outdated or conflict with the new versions of the plugins or WordPress itself.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So now compatible browsers, it has to be compatible with all the popular browsers, and they have put all of them compatible with Facebook,
Okay.
BBPress, BuddyPress, Elementors. So these all are plugins, other plugins used for WordPress, WooCommerce versions, software version. It's compatible with all lower end version of the WordPresses as well. If you see that, this is very old, 5.3. Theme forest files included, PHP files, CSS files, JS files. See, along with this theme, you get PHP files, which will have lots of functionality coded for your website, right? So now, if you look at this, there's so much of functionalities. Like you look at this portfolio, the Flatsome, all the theme options. I'll be walking you all through this, all these options in the coming class. There's a lot more to
Okay.
learn and understand here, right?
That will be better. Otherwise, in 1 day or 2 day, it will go up.
Yeah. So in the next class, we will go through all of this. Coming back again, yeah.
Sure. I think
So what is it? Column 2? Only mention column 2.
Where
Come down, sir. No. Columns 2.
where is columns to? I don't see
No,
that.
sir. That PHP files under.
This one, columns. Even I don't have an idea what it is.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Every theme is
Because
different, and there are tons of themes. Okay. So simple thing is buy this at $59, some 4,000, 5,000 rupees, and your work is all done in one day. And looking at this look and feel, your client will be okay to pay 50,000, 1 lakh also. Correct?
Yeah.
yes, sir.
See, now you haven't really seen how beautiful and how many options or features a theme will have.
Correct.
Okay, so now look at this add to cart. Now even you would have never realized building a e-commerce website will be costing you just $59, correct? And now look at this theme, how this theme is looking, and using the same theme, we have customized it for Contra Foods. We have used the same theme called Flatsome. You could see that here. Let me take you to one of the product page and look at this how the product is different on this website. And it's all been customized the way we want. That's the beauty of Flatsome editor. So look at this how this product is looking, and look at this how this product page is looking. Just that's all, right? Done. Right now, and if you look at this, you see this, and this is actually very ugly. Built some 3 4 years back, 2018, and it's been like that since then. It could have been much better if I use my current skills and build it. I only had built this in 2018. This is the product page, and do you see it's so detailed here? It just shows product name, price, add to cart, and nothing images and nothing much here. Correct? That's all. Related products. And now look at this, built using the same theme. So it's not just about the theme. The themes will have powerful options. Using all those powerful options, we have to build the product pages or any kind of, if you're into services like real estate or interior designing or maybe something else, you can build beautiful pages using all those options. Okay. So I think it's going beyond. It's getting late, I guess, for some of you. So we can wind it up for today. In the WhatsApp, I'm going to share username and password for plantnutrients.com. Okay. So you just,
Okay, sir.
yeah, go through it. Yeah.
Sir, finally, one
Like,
question.
yeah, okay.
Sir, actually, past 2 days you teaching some builders, lot of builders, right?
Yeah.
Can you once again, can you repeat that name, sir?
Yeah. Okay. So WordPress, if you have to build a WordPress websites, if you want to build a website first thing, okay. So
Okay.
I'll come from there. It becomes super easy for you. So I'll stop presenting it. Okay. See, first thing, if you want to build a website without coding and all, the best option is to install a open source content management system. Content is here. It's not just text, image, or video. It's your HTML pages as well. So install a content management system that will allow or permit you to build your website.
Okay,
So
sir.
okay, so now this content management system comes with default features such as WP editor, using which you can create or develop the web pages. But if you think that's difficult, in the market there are many plugins built and made available for you. Some could be free, some could be costing you, and free versions might have limited options, paid versions might have more options for you, and plugin might cost anywhere between 1000 rupees to 3000 rupees. Most of the plugins will be for lifetime and some plugins will be for free, for annual yearly basis. See, now Elementor was complete lifetime. One time you have to pay it one time and use lifetime, but in recent times they seems to be like have made it annual. They want more revenue to be driving, right? Elementor is one plugin, WP Bakery is one plugin, Flatsome
WP?
Bakery,
WP?
WP Bakery,
Bakery.
WP Bakery. See, people, every developer gives a new name to it, correct? It's the same product, it's the same cool drink. Somebody named as Coca Cola and somebody else Pepsi, somebody else Thumbs Up, somebody else Sprite, and the component in the background it's same, correct?
Yes.
The ingredients or the purpose or what they do. So there are hundreds of builders like that. Okay, so you can use those builders and you can start building the website if you are creative enough, if you are capable of developing the best designs. Okay, so if you are not really that good and you don't know how a e-commerce website should look like, and how see, moreover, for e-commerce website all the add to cart options, all this also will come with another plugin. Okay, so if you are not at that level, see, through this class you will be able to understand, without even purchasing any theme you can set up a beautiful e-commerce website without purchasing any website, any theme, without spending a single rupee except for domain and hosting. You don't have to spend a single rupee on anything, and still you will be able to build an e-commerce website. WooCommerce is completely free, right? So now
Okay.
forget about all that. You can build your website by using some really easy to use builders, correct? Now,
Hmm.
now you have purchased a builder, but you are not capable of producing nice looking designs, correct? Your creative skill is not supporting you. That's when the best and easiest option, from two perspectives: one is to save the time, second one is to build the beautiful themes, third one is you will get the best pre-built designs. You don't have to scratch your head. Okay, so how should a restaurant website should look like, how should a dental clinic should look like, how should a some other real estate website should look like. So somebody else must see, these people will not make revenue if they are not thinking of all the features needed for a business. In yesterday morning's class we have launched a theme for real estate business. We have purchased the theme for real estate business and have launched a website, and you should see there were so many options, hundreds of options, including uploading the site plan, layout plan, how many bathrooms are there, how many bedrooms are there, all kinds of details, input fields. That was very detailed, quite detailed. And when it is like that, they will have more sales. And as a business owner, even you don't have to scratch your head much, you don't have to spend. You can simply buy that theme at $40, $50, $60, $30, $20 also sometimes, and install it in just few clicks. Done. Work is done.
Okay, sir. WP Builder, WP Bakery, Elementor, and Flatsome,
Yes,
right?
these are few which I have named. I have actually forgot. There are lot many builders, but these are all popular builders.
Okay, sir.
So all the builder comes with the like yearly paid or like monthly or how it is,
No,
how
no,
it
no,
works.
no. So mostly lifetime. Most of these
Okay.
builders come lifetime. But
Okay.
I guess in recent times I have somewhere seen it. I did not really deep dive into it. It looks like
Mhm.
some of them have made annual subscriptions as well.
Okay.
But it will be costing you very less.
So, I mean, what do you suggest? Should we buy? I mean, once we make the domain, or let's say, we do hosting and all, after that, we should buy and do practicing, or like how we will be able to do
So my
practicing?
suggestion is
Yeah.
don't buy a builder ever.
Mm-hmm.
Rather you pick a theme which will come with a powerful builder, plus which you can customize to anything that you want. Okay, so now look at
Right.
this Flatsome. Using Flatsome theme, we have built a business services website, we have built an e-commerce website, and you can build a restaurant website. Now look at this, using the same Flatsome theme, we have built a services website. Okay, you can build an e-commerce website. We had in fact built a trainings website using the Flatsome theme. I'll show you if that's available. That's redirected to a different domain, but let me show it to you if it's available. Beautiful trainings website. Uh, let's get it redirected. Okay, yeah. So this is built using the same
Can
Flatsome.
share your screen.
Oh, sorry, I'm sharing it. So if it's getting late for any of you, you can drop off. Okay. So you all see the screen, right? This is built using Flatsome builder only, same Flatsome builder. Do you see that?
Okay.
So this is again a product page. I showed you a chicken pickle product, right? So there is it's the same product page. This page and that page, or both are product page. You see info slash chicken pickle. So this is how it looks, and this is also sorry, yeah, this is also info slash remote working training. Look at this. There are some errors. We have removed this website, and just this page is accessible, and I'm showing it to you. So now the same Flatsome, basically that's a multi-purpose theme. Flatsome is a multi-purpose theme. By default, you will get the demo import of e-commerce website, but you can use it to anything that you want. And if you look at this, how it's been built, correct? Do you all see that the difference between that web page and this web page? Both are built on WooCommerce only. Sorry, Flatsome only. The theme is also same, and the theme has been changed to this way. Those many customization features are available, and now this can be converted to a restaurant website as well. Contra.pro can be converted to the restaurant website as well, using the same theme, same features, same options. So my suggestion is purchase such theme. If you don't have time, just go and purchase a theme that will serve your purpose. You will be saving lots of your time. Time is money, right? And moreover, along with the theme, the best thing is, see, if you're purchasing a builder or an editor, you will get only builder or editor. But if you're purchasing a theme, you will get lot many options along with the theme, which you could play around with, or they could be most needed features for your website, like control, site control. So now I want to change this top text, this logo. You will be able to do it. So logo anyways you will be able to do it, but you will have a powerful control over many features here. See, theme options. And before we wind it up for today, I'll show you one more theme. See now this theme has different options, and see the options that you see on this theme and that theme are different. See, these are all options coming from the theme, not from the builder or not from some other plugin. See, there is a possibility of you finding a relevant plugin as well, but it won't be that good. This is kind of customized for. This is a directory. This is kind of customized for directory website. And if you look at this, what is that? Yeah, this one. You see options here: houses, real estate, new property, properties, features, label, country, state, city. All these options or features are getting installed along with your theme when you purchase the theme. And this is a plugin, but these two are not plugins. But there is a possibility of you finding a relevant plugin, but that plugin may not be that great. You may not find all these options or features what you see here which are coming along with the theme. See, plugin is always about functionality. That's a PHP file. And now, when you purchase the theme, you are getting the PHP files as well, the functionalities as well, the functionalities as well along with your theme. Okay. So my suggestion is always go and buy a theme. If it's a complex website, see all this Qatar for you is a directory. Okay, so this is mainly if you're optimizing it for search engines and you need various kinds of features to manage your website. Beautiful website which has got search options, maps, filters, so many things on this website. Which is on this you can list various businesses, reselling of the cars, jobs, lot of things, and you can take the payments online. Let's say there is a training institute and they want to list training institute in Qatar. They want to show on this website. They have to pay for it. See, all these options, getting all these options is not that easy. These are all part of PHP. And this is from WooCommerce, right? Did you all get that? So go and purchase a theme if your website is complex. And if it's a simple website, like how we build using the AI, artificial intelligence, namesake websites. Some restaurant is there, just namesake, they need a web page which speaks about the restaurant. But if you are looking for powerful functionalities, instead of buying a builder, you always go purchase a theme which will have lots of functionalities most needed for your business.
Sir, is this Qatar for you website? It's built by Kanza Digital, sir.
Yes, yes. So we are
Because as
not. Huh.
the logo is visible in the admin, I saw that.
Yes. So that's not maintained still properly. Just it was put long back, and from Qatar we used to get lots of traffic, and just because we are not doing any marketing, we have there are some errors as well. We are not updating. We haven't logged into that website also. Since we haven't updated any plugins, WordPress, anything over there, there is some issue over there. So some malware attack has happened, I guess. We are yet to, or not necessarily malware attack, some conflict with the plugins. It's not malware attack, and there are some issues over there. Okay, yeah. This is also built using the Flatsome theme. So yeah, all this will come part of WooCommerce plugin as well. You don't have to buy a theme for setting up a e-commerce website. But if you are looking for a neat colors, borders, a beautiful design, see functionality wise, you don't have to buy themes always. For certain businesses like e-commerce, e-commerce functionality is very simple and powerful plugin like WooCommerce is available. But when it comes to other industries, functionalities are not really available like how WooCommerce is a solution available for e-commerce businesses. Yeah. Anything else? Can we wind it up for today?
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Yeah.
sure.
So I'll share the password for this. Please practice on this as well as evening.canra digital as well. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Thanks.
Then, yeah. Bye
Okay,
everyone.
thank you. Bye.